The second way to get paid with a new age compensation plan is new volume bonus. And this is a bonus that you earn from sales to new customers and other brand partners. So what is new volume bonus? So new volume bonus is earned from customers to your new personally sponsored customers and brand partners in their first 4 weeks. The higher your business level, the higher the percent of new volume bonus you can earn. So let's take a look here. If you are Ultimate, you would get 30% new volume bonus. Elite, you would get 25%. Business, you would get 20%. And Activated, you would get 15%. Let's look at some examples here, starting with if you were Ultimate and you enrolled new customers and new brand partners, how much new volume bonus would you earn? So in this example, you're Ultimate and you've enrolled a customer and their first order was 100 PV, you would get a 30% new volume bonus. So that would be $30. Now, if you enrolled a new brand partner with a 500 PV order, so they've gone to business, you, being an Ultimate brand partner, receive 30% new volume off that 500 PV. So that's $150. I'll take this moment to let you know that all commissions and bonuses with New Age are calculated in US dollars. Let's take a look at a new volume and bonus example when you are Elite. So the same scenario as the Ultimate, but this time you're Elite. You've got a brand new customer who places a 100 PV order inside their first 4 weeks. You are eligible for 25% new volume bonus. So the calculation is your new volume bonus is $25 US. Let's have a look at the new brand partner that you've enrolled. They enrolled with 500 PV order times 25% new volume bonus is 125 US dollars. Let's have a look if you were business. Same example. The new customer, you'd be eligible for 20% new volume bonus, so that would be $20. And the new brand partner, again, 20% of 500 PV is $100. And finally, if you were Activated and you enrolled a new customer with 100 PV, your new volume bonus would be $15. And with the new brand partner, it would be $75. So you can see here the importance of striving to achieve the highest possible business level so that you earn the most new volume bonus possible. This is the new volume bonus reference table. It shows across the top your business level, and then down the side it shows you the amount of volume that you've sold to new customers or reps. Let's take a look at Activated. If you're Activated and you enroll a brand new brand partner and they enroll with 1500 PV, you will actually be eligible for 30% team lead bonus in this instance. If you are Elite and you enroll somebody with 1500 PV, you would get 30% also. So depending on how much you sell or enroll your new customers or reps on, it can bump you up to the next bracket of new volume bonus. Now remember, when your new brand partner activates their chosen business level, any additional PV that they place within their first 4 weeks will pay base commissions instead of new volume bonus. So let's have a look at the summary for new volume bonus. New volume bonus is only paid on new brand partners or customers' orders inside their first 28 days. After the initial 4 weeks, base commission is calculated at 15%. And if the PV from your new customer is used towards reaching your business level, then new volume bonus will not be paid on that PV because the PV is being used to qualify your account. And when new volume bonus is paid on PV, then base commissions isn't paid. It's one or the other, not both together.